bago ang trahedya. Idol naman ang turing kay AJ ng kanyang nakababatang kapatid. Narito ang report. Wala nang sasakit pa sa pagdurusa ng inang nawala ng anak. 3 araw na ang nakakalipas, sariwa pa sa alaala ng ina ni AJ Perez ang huling paalam ng anak.
I was really worried the last time I received a call from AJ. It was 9:40 in the evening. And then he was telling me na he will be home soon and I don't have to worry.
Tila may mga ilang pangitain bago mamaalam si AJ.
A night before the accident, he asked me, "Mom, can I sleep with you tonight?" So, sabi ko, why not? It's okay with me. It's fine with me. And I didn't know na that will be the last na pala. I can hug him, I can kiss him.
So, I'll just...
Ang alaala rin ni AJ ang pinaghuhugutan niya ng lakas.
And I feel so good hearing all those good words for AJ. And it makes me really, and not only me, my husband, makes us so proud parents. He's almost a perfect son.
Kapansin-pansin naman na mas kalmado na ang nag-iisang kapatid ni AJ. Nakakangiti kahit paano ang 12 anyos ni Jello. Mamimiss ni Jello ang kulitan nila at ang pagiging mapagbigay ng kanyang kuya.
Maharutan namin because, whenever he's not busy, we always stay around. When he brought me sa ASAP noon, kasi it was sa Jabberwockies pa yun. They were ongoing. Tapos, alam niya what the fan. Tapos, dinala niya ako sa stage para magpa-picture. I was really happy talaga.
Kwento rin ni Jello, idol ang kuya niya si Rico yan.
We wanted talaga to follow the footsteps of Rico yan. It makes me proud of my brother talaga that he touched many lives. And especially hearing their stories that he always has a smile in his face and makes everybody happy talaga.
Maaalalang maging ang Star Magic Head na si Mr. M, sinabing sisikat si AJ, gaya ng idolong si Rico yan. Kapwa maagang na maalam sa panahon ng Semana Santa ang dalawang aktor. Samantalang sa Martes na nakatakdang ilibing si AJ sa Manila Memorial Park sa Parañaque. Matapos naman pag-aralan ng ABS-CBN ang mga nangyari sa aksidente, nagdesisyon itong sampahan ng kasong reckless imprudence ang driver ng van ni AJ na isang empleyado ng South Bend Express Services Incorporated na kinontrata ng ABS.